Oh, excuse me guys. If you run our Hurricane 30-liter backpack tail pack and you want to take a laptop with you, you can use or include an optional laptop sleeve. Right now I'm going to show you how simple and easy this is to install. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the inside of your bag is clean and dry. Now if you just unpackaged it, you know you're going to be dialed. Next you're going to go ahead and take your sleeve itself and test fit it before you remove any of the strips on the back. It's just going to sit right inside the bag all the way down at the bottom, and both of the seams are going to line up along the edges. Next you're going to want to remove the adhesive backing from our hook and loop strips that we have on the back of this laptop sleeve. Now what I like to do is I like to hold this sleeve in my hand like this. That way the sticky or tackiness of the tape itself doesn't rub on the bag or get stuck halfway down. I'm now going to press my hand all the way to the top of the bag so that I have the bottom seam here lined up perfectly. I'm now going to go ahead and remove my hand slowly, avoiding the double stick tape. And now I'm going to apply firm pressure from one end of the strip to the other, making sure we have perfect adhesion. Now that we have the sleeve installed into the bag, we're going to let this sit for 30 minutes so it can get a proper bonding experience before we add our laptop and hit the road. And there we are. Laptop sleeve installed, laptop inserted. Now we're ready to roll. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.